In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn property photos into a professional cinematic walkthrough video with background music using Flova AI. It brings together video generation, image generation, audio, voice, and music models into one platform. Instead of switching between several different tools and subscriptions, you can complete your entire project inside Flova AI. It automatically selects the best AI model for every step of the process. To get started, you need photos of the property from different angles of the entrance, living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and bathrooms. One of the best features is Skills. It lets you save an entire creative workflow so you can use it again whenever you need it. For example, you can create a real estate walkthrough skill that includes everything needed for a professional property video: photo quality checks, room identification, walkthrough sequencing, storyboard planning, camera movements, AI model selection, background music, and voiceover settings. There are already many ready-to-use skills created by professional creators. Simply choose one that fits your needs, click Create Copy, and customize it to match your own workflow and creative style. You can also create your own skill by clicking on New Skill. Now let's create the property walkthrough video. I have already prepared a prompt, and you will find it in the video description below. I'll upload all of the property photos. I want Flova AI to automatically recognize every room from the uploaded images and arrange them into the most natural walkthrough order, starting at the entrance and finishing with the last room. I also want each room to be analyzed and its main selling points identified. Flova AI starts analyzing the entire property. It understands the natural walk-in path through the home and creates a complete storyboard. Flova automatically creates a description for every image, identifies each room, arranges the walkthrough in the correct order, highlights the key selling points, and generates 12 video clips. The next step is already suggested for me. I'll simply click Generate Background Music and assemble the full video. Since I'm using some of Flova AI's newest features, I also receive bonus credits for exploring the platform. A few minutes later, Flova finishes generating the background music and combines all of the clips into one complete property walkthrough. Let's watch the final video. The video looks smooth and professional. Now I want to create a vertical version of the same video for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Instead of just cutting the original video to fit a vertical format, I want Flova to first turn all uploaded property photos into vertical format. It should keep the room looking exactly the same, including the layout, size, furniture placement, materials, colors, lighting, and overall design. Once the new vertical images are ready, Flova generates a completely new cinematic walkthrough while keeping the same room order and camera flow. After a few minutes, everything is ready. The new vertical images look great and keep the original design. Now let's watch the vertical video. The final video looks professional and is ready for social media platforms. The final video is made up of separate clips for each room. Flova AI automatically places all the clips and background music on the timeline. The timeline gives me full control over the final video. I can change the order of the clips, adjust their speed, audio, and fine-tune the overall pacing. If I click on any clip and choose Edit Prompt, I can see the exact prompt Flova used to create that scene. I can edit the prompt, change the clip length, or regenerate just that clip. For this scene, I want to make small change. I'll add that clip to the chat and ask Flova not to make the chair the main focus. I want to remove the final camera movement that zooms in on the striped chair during the last second of the clip. About a minute later, the updated clip is ready. Now I simply replace the old clip on the timeline with the new one. There's no need to regenerate the entire video, which saves a lot of time. Another feature I really like is the asset library. Flova lets you save and reuse images, videos, audio files, logos, and other media across different projects. To save an asset, simply right-click on it, choose Store in Asset Library, and click Store. The asset is now available whenever you start a new project. I'm happy with the final video, so now I'll save it. I click Export in the top right corner. From here, I can export the finished video or export all of the project's assets if I want to edit them or use them again in another project. As you can see, Flova makes it easy to create a complete real estate marketing video from start to finish, all in one platform. If you'd like to try Flova AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the video description below. New users receive 100 free credits when they sign up, and you can earn an additional 200 credits by exploring the platform and trying its newest features.